magnitude 6.2 earthquake rattles Costa Rica. A magnitude 6.2 earthquake shook Costa Rica on Monday afternoon. According to data from the Volcanological and Seismological Observatory of Costa Rica, OVSICORI, the earthquake occurred at 3:51 p.m. The tremor had an epicenter off the coast of Jacó in Garabito, Puntarenas. The initial report from OVSICORI estimated the earthquake had been of magnitude 5.97. The institution later revised that figure to 6.2. The National Emergency Commission said it is aware of the incident. It did not report significant damages. So far, no damage has been reported after the earthquake that occurred at 3:51 p.m. of magnitude 6 and an epicenter southwest of Pocatal de Garabito de Puntarenas, CNE said. This earthquake reminds us that it is important to be prepared. There is no danger of a tsunami resulting from this seismic activity, according to the National Tsunami Monitoring System. The National Emergency Commission, CNE, says Costa Rica averages 350 earthquakes each month, or about 12 each day, though most are imperceptible. Faced with the strong earthquake felt in much of the country, I am in communication with the CNE for the evaluation of possible affectation. At the moment none are reported, said President Carlos Alvarado. We ask you to be attentive to official channels and to follow health protocols. Minutes after the earthquake, OVSICORI reported a 4-minute eruption at Rincon de la Villa volcano in northern Costa Rica. CNE said the volcanic event was not linked to the earthquake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.